Amelia Hamlin speaks on Scott Disick unloving Kourtney Kardashian. Is Scott Disick still in love with Kourtney Kardashian despite all of the romance he is receiving from Amelia Hamlin? Amelia Hamlin finally speaks about all the jealousy she has been hiding inside of her for years for Kourtney Kardashian. Scott Disick just ended things with his 20-year-old girlfriend Amelia Hamlin. And while some fans are saying Scott left Amelia because he is still in love with his ex, Kourtney, others are convinced that she dumped Scott because she got tired of listening to Kourtney's name continuously from her boyfriend's mouth. However, some fans are also convinced that Scott and Kourtney are soulmates and they would probably end up together. So, what does Amelia have to say about this? Amelia and Scott separated earlier this month after first being romantically involved in November. Scott's purported DM insulting his girlfriend, Kourtney Kardashian, got public, resulting in the separation. Scott and Amelia are doing their own thing and not together at the moment, a source told at the time. But now it's been a buzz around that Scott Disick and Amelia Gray, Hamlin's romance is now over. The 20-year-old model and the 38-year-old reality personality have called it quits after less than a year of dating. Though Scott and Kourtney are both in their own relationships, it appears that Kourtney's constant displays of affection for her new man on social media irritated Scott. Kourtney will always be there for Scott no matter what their relationship is, but there is definitely still tension between them. They are great about putting it on for the kids and around the family. When they see each other, they are always cordial, and you can tell Scott misses Kourtney a lot. Everyone knows Scott is still in love with her, a source claims. Amelia Hamlin has kept her mouth shut for a long time, but not anymore. Amelia was the one who put a halt to things, a source tells. The model posted a photo of a tank top with a phrase, "Don't you have a girlfriend?" printed on the front, though it's unclear if Amelia herself was wearing the shirt because we couldn't see her face in the photograph. Well, she just seems to ask the question from no one else but her ex-boyfriend, Scott Disick. Without even thinking twice about Amelia Hamlin, after nearly a year of dating and barely 6 weeks after they split up, Scott was seen with an unidentified model. It's easy to understand Amelia being irritated by Scott's latest excursion as she uploaded a selfie of herself extending her middle finger to the camera, just 2 days after Scott was photographed with a new girlfriend, Sheesh Girl. She captioned the potentially shady photo, really pleased, which some fans interpreted as a backhanded comment to Scott's night out in LA. There has been speculation that Scott's recent drama with Younes Benjama, Kourtney's other ex-boyfriend, led to his breakup with Amelia. So recently, Younes Benjama leaked messages he received from Scott in which he questioned what their mutual ex was doing with Travis in Italy. "Yo, is this woman all right? What is this, bro?" In the middle of Italy, Scott said, attaching a photo of Kourtney kissing the drummer of Blink-182 on an inflatable boat. "Keep the same intensity you had towards me publicly. Privately," the model wrote after reacting to Disick, "It doesn't matter to me as long as she's content. P.S. I'm not your brother." It's understandable for Scott to have thoughts and feelings towards Kourtney's past, present, and future partners because they'll be involved in raising his children, but it's hypocritical to judge every man without giving them a chance. Scott has been given space by Kourtney to move on and find love elsewhere, and she deserves to be treated the same way. It's unfortunate that keeping up with the Kardashians, fans won't be able to watch this drama unfold on their television screens, but here's hoping the drama continues when Hulu's reality cameras begin recording. Kourtney said in a confessional, "Scott and I have had a lot of conversations over the years about this, and he knows what would need to happen in order for us reconciling to even be a possibility, and certain things haven't happened that I've been very clear about. Just like my answer isn't going to change unless his actions change, so I'm hesitant to have that conversation right now." So after all this mess, some fans are giving their views that Scott is still not over Kourtney. So what really happened here? Did Scott dump Amelia, or was it the other way around? And is Scott really hoping that he will get Kourtney back? So as for Kourtney, we can see that she seemed unbothered by Scott Disick's relationship with Amelia Hamlin or any other women, and she also said in an interview that she will not waste any more of her energy focusing on her ex's life. According to some reports, it's not weird for the reality star to see her ex with another woman. The report says Scott and Kourtney have a tense relationship right now primarily because he's been focusing on his new life in Miami, and because of Kourtney getting serious with Travis. They are barely speaking. It's hard for him to see Kourtney in love with someone else, a source says. So, back in March, a source close to Scott told E! News that Scott isn't threatened by Kourtney and Travis's relationship because he knows that he can't ever be replaced. Well, Scott really underestimated Travis Barker, according to sources close to Kourtney and Travis. Kourtney has been in her own world with Travis, and they are so beyond obsessed with each other. And here we'd like to add another shocking news that Kourtney and Travis are finally moving ahead in their life, and after their engagement, they are now thinking and discussing about getting married soon. So, when the news broke that Kourtney and Travis were getting serious, Scott showed his immature side again and started shading Kourtney's new relationship. Everything between them has ended, but what Scott Disick is upset about is that Kourtney Kardashian, the mother of his 3 children, is engaged to Travis Barker. We got reports from a source recently which says, Scott is going insane. He's about to fall off the deep end. It's a disaster. It's going to turn dark soon, a source told the site. Scott is still upset over Kourtney and Travis' engagement, another source said, adding he's lonely and not in a relationship right now, and he's quite envious that things are going well for Kourtney. Scott wishes he could go back in time to when he and Kourtney were just getting along as co-parents, with no one else in their life romantically. Scott has never been comfortable seeing Kourtney with other guys around her, but no other guy managed to get so close to Kourtney like Travis did, and Scott is absolutely jealous. Kourtney is all in with Travis, and her kids love him too. So maybe that's another reason for Scott to hate Travis. It feels to Scott like they are trying to merge their families and going full steam ahead. That surely made him very uncomfortable, and now he is trying to figure out that where does he fits in. So maybe Amelia knew where the situation was getting to and she got out right in time, because from where we see this is a losing game for Scott Disick. The Insider shared that the Keeping Up with the Kardashians alum has reached out to the model a few times, adding he does miss her a lot and regrets what went down in their final days of the relationship. The source went on to note, Amelia is definitely done with him. But what does Kourtney Kardashian think about the girlfriend of her ex-boyfriend? Is she as furious at Amelia as she is at her? A source claims that Kardashian has no interest in being friends with Disick's teenage girlfriend. Amelia was of course invited to his party, but her and Kourtney do not necessarily have a relationship. The source said Kourtney is cordial. There's no bad blood, but they just kept to themselves at the party. Kourtney doesn't mind having her around. She's just not looking to get close with her. So, for Amelia, she is getting ahead in her life, and Amelia feels like a weight has been lifted off her shoulders, the source added. So, after all of the drama that Scott has been playing with women, fans are quite furious at him, and it looks like Scott has been exposed. Amelia Hamlin, the 19-year-old model, has also had enough of Scott's games, and she is finally free from his fake love. Amelia further said that Scott will never get over Kourtney, no matter how many women he gets involved with. That's all from my side. Bye.